system is offering five revenue streams. So first revenue stream is coming by capturing of motor vehicle violation, and slowly that area will be enlarged. And the moment you capture it, it will be using the same route which has been we learned for our FIR. So the evidence will be taken to competent authority. Once competent authority puts the signature, it will become challan. Then the system is taking it to the offender. The offender will be given the choice. You can please see the evidences. You please see challan. Now the payment link is available. All options of the payment which are available today, they are there. So without going to anybody, the offender can make his payment. The moment he makes payment, 50% will go to the government treasury and 50% will go to the person who captured it. Or if it is captured by a device, then it will go to the owner of the device or owner of the company if it is done by any startup. Now this will be mind-blowing money. If let's presume that everybody is now part of the system and everybody is having that citizen app, and they press one button, so 1,30,000 crore would be created for the government, and that's 1,30,000 crore would be created for the public as well. That kind of the mind-boggling money would be created. So there are 4 more revenue streams for education of summons warrant. Then we are creating experts, because we are not taking things to the court directly. We will put a process result to experts, and experts will give the real-time opinion, and that will be admissible in court of law under section 45 Evidence Act. And nobody would be there to challenge our superiority in that. So in time to come, a learned liar will not be in position to challenge technology, because technology will be duly supported by the expert opinion, and then that cannot be disputed. And expert would be giving their views in such a fantastic way that it will be very easy for the magistrate, it will be easy for any layman to appreciate that evidence. Then system will be tasking citizens for giving some information about the criminals, and for that, doing that task, they will be getting a huge revenue stream. And 5th revenue stream is for providing the niche support in their professional areas. So every section of the society in future would be getting some revenue for their professional area too. Now this is in a nutshell is about the crime-free Bharat, then about this the revenue stream. It is going to have a mind-blowing impact on our nature, our behavior. We will become more of a rule-compliant society, because violation of the rule will not be option, because there will be so many eyes will be capturing it, and there will be huge penalty. That penalty cannot be really ignored by anybody. So by force, they will be changing behavior, and slowly that will become their part of their nature. Slowly it will become the part of their character, and we will be having a rule compliant society. So it will be a total changeover. As we said that earlier, we were just focusing on the government, and then we were giving all these tools to the police and everybody, so that we can support them. But we have taken a decision that now many services which are doable, we will be providing it through our portal. And the legal team, which will be having not in state level, in district level, even in talukas level, they would be providing that legal support. They will be taking the case to the SHO, they will be taking the case to SP, they will take the case to the court. Under 156, they will take the case to the High Court if required. And that will be done, almost at very, very minimal cost. just good enough to support those legal volunteers. So this mission would be in position to start give the benefit maybe within a month itself, rather than waiting for a year to go.